Hey, I'm Rob from I Take Pickers. Well, tonight I'm gonna show you a little bit of the stuff that I'm putting in my eBay store tonight. Um, these are like covers for different games. This is an example. This is a Wii game, and pretty much all disc-based games. The case is made up of a DVD case and a cover like this, right? That's a PS2. And in my eBay store, I have hundreds and hundreds of covers and replacement covers for games for all kinds of systems: the PS2, the Xbox, the Wii, the Xbox 360, the PS4. And I have like hundreds of cases like this, and they're all original. They're all from games. They all came from games because I accumulated a huge lot of these during the years, and they're all original. They all come from real games, and they're all in perfect condition. So if you're missing, if you got some games that you do have the disc, but you're missing the case, and you don't have the artwork, you can buy different pieces of artwork from my eBay store, depending on the game that. You've got the disc, you don't have the case, you don't have the artwork, and I've also got instruction manuals for like hundreds and hundreds of games. And these covers that I have for sale in my store, they're about like $6 shipped, shipping included. And of course, they're all original. And this is just an example of what I'm gonna put tonight in my store. But I already have like maybe like 300 to 400 of them already. All different titles. And again, they're about like $6 shipped. Except maybe I've got some rare ones, some rare covers. Now the rare ones, maybe I'll sell them like $8, up to $10 maybe. But I've got so many titles, and you can take a look at my eBay store. There's a link in the description of the video. You can look at what I have in store, and you're welcome to buy something. I mean, I've got so many of them. So far, I've probably got like, with those ones that I'm gonna put tonight, probably gonna have like 300 or 400 different covers for different games. Mostly they're PS2, but I've got some for Xbox, for GameCube. And they're all, I make sure that the ones that I put for sale are in like perfect condition. Mint. Look at this one. That's a rare one here. If you have the disc, but you don't have the case, then you can buy the artwork, the cover from my store, and it's the real thing. It comes from an actual game. Perfect condition. So that's it. So You want to take a look at my store? Look at the link in the description, and I'll see you soon.